There's a hiss. There's a hiss. I don't know where it's coming from. So just came back from dropping the car off. I know, it looks so empty. At Jack's place, so we'll see what it is. The first fix was pretty simple, just reconnecting that vacuum line, but he's running some smoke tests and we're gonna see what else is left, and we'll give you guys an update once I know more. Hopefully we get the car back soon.
One eternity later.
All right, Leon, we got something leaking down in there. I think that's the SAI coming back up, the secondary air pump. We have, this is leaking horrifically, actually. This was the main one that I found, but it's just leaking around the fitting, so I can tighten that up. That's no big deal. But so far, that's really it. Actually, now that I think about that one, so it's not purging back, so it would have to come through the evap. Oh yeah, because the site has the air pump on it. All right, so yeah, that's what that is. That's the air pump leaking. That's okay. We can, I think that's the vent from the inlet actually is what we're seeing, because it's an air pump. Womp womp.